In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook ads in order to get faster results for your business. Facebook is the largest and most used social network today. Virtually everyone is on this social media platform. As a result, you can reach virtually the entire world with your products and offers, which is why utilizing Facebook advertising in your online business is a smart and effective strategy to boosting your reputation and your business. For the best Facebook advertising results, you need to target the audience you wish to reach with your Facebook ads. It's important that you are reaching the right people who will be interested in subscribing to your list and buying your offers. If your ads are reaching people who have no interest, all you're doing is wasting your money and lowering your return on investment, ROI. You need to evaluate the data from your ads to ensure you are reaching the people who are most likely to buy from you. This includes demographics such as age, gender, salary, location, etc. Go to your Facebook ads reporting page and click on Edit Columns. You want to ensure that data aggregation, campaign name, data breakdowns, age and gender, delivery and spend, reach and about spend, and actions, the specific action your campaign seeks, example website conversions, are checked with everything else unchecked. Then click Save Columns. On the next page you'll see a table. Click Reach on the top row to sort the table. You'll now be able to see the exact demographics of the majority of people seeing your ad and the percentage of your ad budget that is being spent on them. This will help you to determine whether this group of people is the best choice to spend Facebook advertising dollars on to reach them, or if you need to adjust the demographic parameters of the people who see your ad on Facebook. Note from the data in that table if there are specific age groups, genders, income brackets, etc., who are converting better from your current advertising. If there are, you may wish to allocate more of your Facebook ad budget on them and exclude other groups that aren't converting as well. Use your knowledge of your target market to determine what specific demographic parameters you need to change to make your Facebook advertising more effective so you will get a greater ROI from your Facebook advertising.